Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is episode 2 of my 7-part series, Learn How to Hula Hoop in 30 minutes. This series is part of the free Hula Dancercise Hula Hoop Quick Start Guide, which you can download right now. I'll pop the link in the description below. If this is the first video that you found of the 7-part series, please go to episode 1 and then you can start the series from the very beginning. I'll also put the full playlist available in the description below. If you're at the start of your hula hoop journey, remember it's really important to begin small because hula hooping is a contact form of movement and therefore you need to condition your body into this form of exercise. So how are you feeling today if you've completed episode 1? How does your body feel? Are you bruised? Do you feel tender? If you do, please take a rest and avoid hula hooping on the bruises and come back to this video when you feel good and ready to. Listen to your body. So today we're going to be adding in some really basic arm movements. So just follow my lead. Are you ready? Let's get those hoops spinning. Big push, front to back. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the arms out to the side for a count of 8 and bring it back in. I'll count you in. Are you ready to come up? In 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You've got this. Bring it in. Woo! Give me one more. Here we go. This is really great for balance exercises. Okay, you can either stop the hula hoop and go side to side or carry on. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You've got it! Woo, woo, woo. And in. Fantastic. Okay, you can stop the hula hoop or you can keep going. Back to front to back. This time, we're going to reach the arms up. Here we go. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll feel your core engaged. And back down. One more. And back down. Well done. Now we're going to do exactly the same, side to side. So, prepare, big push. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, stay with me. Here we go, back down. Amazing. Okay, let's stop the hula hoop. Let's go back to front to back. Big push, come on. Let's take the arms out to the side again. And in. One up. Are you ready? We're going straight into it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Woo, 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 woo. When you're taking your arms out to the side, this is really great for finding your balance. And when you take your arms up, even just getting to here, my goodness, you can feel your core engage even more so. So these exercises are really great for building your strength and your balance. Don't forget you've got the free guide available in the description below and stay tuned for episode 3 where we're going to get you turning.